Central Coast is this untapped resource of incredible creatives that have no outlet. There needs to be a bit more of an embracing of what art can be out and about in the world. Hi, my name's Brent Smith. I also go by Biffy Brentano. I'm a designer and illustrator and also paint murals. Most recognisable one is the Long Jetty mural. Majority of that's mine. The type in the middle definitely isn't mine, but everything around it, bar a couple of little elements, is mine, which is pretty exciting. I was always good at drawing, so I just constantly did that. All through high school, I really enjoyed it. And then I went and did a design course. I think it's quite distinctive. Pretty bold colours, bold lines, and I like humour. So trying to put humour in where I can is always fun for me. So colour and humour is probably a distinct factor of my work, yeah. I used to sketch a lot onto paper. You kind of can't beat pencil on paper. From back in the day, I've got boxes and boxes of pads of like all these sketches and drawings. But in terms of just quickly doing something, I just do it digitally and then it's saved. I don't have to worry about where I've stored that paper. I guess in terms of process, finding out the elements of the illustration or the product itself, you can create a little timeline or a little package of personality that works within that. So the Australian almonds, and then also how it helps with the Aussie bee population as well and how important bees are to the environment. So we really wanted to incorporate some bees into the mix. But then we've got bees, we've got almond milk, we've got almonds, like how do we kind of tie it all together and where are those almonds going to be living or being used? And we came up with a jacuzzi style latte glass. An overall fun afternoon with the almond fellas, I suppose.